I'm going to talk to you today about the ZeroWater filter. When we RV, we were taking bottled water with us in order to drink for drinking purposes. And of course, as you know, whenever you are at a lot of these RV parks, all you got to do is look at your filter coming into your RV, and you can tell real quick just how dirty a lot of the water from these RV parks are. And we got tired of carrying all of these these water bottles with us, so we investigated this 5-stage replacement filter by ZeroWater, and it's really a cool thing. When you look at the different types of filtration it does, essentially what it does is it takes out the total dissolved solids out of your water. This is a map showing the total dissolved solids in the various regular tap water by state, and you can see that it's pretty much a lot of dissolved water solids are in a lot of states. As a matter of fact, I live in Texas, and our dissolved solids are somewhere in between 200 and 300 out of the tap water that comes into our house. The goal is to have a reading of 000 or 002 to 3, somewhere in there. What happens is, and I'll show you this, the way this works, but this is the filter system that we use, and it's simply a water pitcher, and what it has is a let me see if I can get this adjusted. You actually put water into the top of it, and it filters down through the pitcher, and the clear water is in the basin below. This system also gives you a thermometer, or not a thermometer, but some kind of a meter that you can measure what the total dissolved solids are. I have a pitcher of regular tap water here that I'm going to test right quick and see what its readings are. Its readings is 306 is what it's actually reading. So now I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to take a reading in here of the water that's been filtered, and let me see what it says. It says 002. So you can tell that it has really dissolved the solids, clean the water. All you do is you pour the water in, and it filters down through the filter, and pop the top back on. And what's neat about this system is the meter sits right here. It'll trickle down through the filter, and it will eventually fill up the water pitcher. This pitcher, you can pour it through the top, or it has a little spigot at the bottom where you could have it sitting in your refrigerator, and if you need a glass of water, just put your glass under there. But we just slide this thing into our RV refrigerator, and it just works great. So anyway, just wanted to let you know, it says here that this filter is capable of filtering 99.6% of dissolved solids out. And I'll tell you, I get no endorsements, nothing by ZeroWater, but we have stopped taking bottled water with us. So I hope this helps you. The filter lasts quite a long time, and I hope this helps you to see if there's other avenues. Have a great day.